Test trigonometric identities, question 2. Well, this question is also under thinking, so we'll call them tips, T-I-P-S. Okay. Now this is a thinking problem. Question 2. If cos x plus sin x equals to square root 2 cos x, show that cos x minus sin x equals to square root 2 sin x. Now that's a very beautiful question. Copy the question and try to solve it, and then look into my solution. Okay, it is extremely good question. Now how are you going to solve this? Let's start with what is given to us. So it's given to us that cos x plus sin x equals to square root 2 cos x. So in the first step, let's do one thing. Let's square it. Okay, so if we square both sides, so we get what? Let's say we square it, right? So we square both sides. It is an equality, and so we can do it. So when we square it, we get cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x plus sin square x equals to 2 cos square x. That's what we get. Now let's bring the terms together on one side. So we get, let's bring all these terms to the right side, for example. So we get 2 sin x cos x equals to 2 cos square x minus cos square x minus sin square x. Correct. Now this is like cos square x minus sin square x. So this could be written as 2 cos square x minus cos square x is cos square x minus sin square x. Now this is difference of squares, right? So I can write this as cos x plus sin x times cos x, minus sin x. Right? So I'm interested in what is cos x minus sin x. Now from here I can write cos x minus sin x is 2 sin x cos x divided by cos x plus sin x, correct? So from here I can write 2 sin x cos x divided by cos x plus sin x is equal to cos x minus sin x. Correct? So I divided both sides by cos x plus sin x, right? Now it is already given to us that cos x plus sin x is square root 2 cos x. So we'll replace this value from here back. So what we get here is now 2 sin x cos x over square root 2 cos x is equal to cos x minus sin x. Let me write it on this side now, because I want to extend it. So let me write it on this side. So it's equals to cos x minus sin x, what we want, right? So let's simplify this. Cos x and cos x cancel out, right? So you're left with 2 sin x over square root 2, which is square root 2 sin x, and that's what we wanted to prove, correct? So cos x minus sin x is square root 2 sin x, and that is how we are going to solve this question. Thank you.